Namah Shivaya. Friends, do you really know what time is it? Is it the past, present, or the future? As per Vedic texts, time has been defined to be an illusion. Now, as per Lord Brahma, one day of Brahma is equal to 4.32 million into 1000, that is equal to 4.32 billion human years. Each day of Brahma is called Kalpa. His night also constitutes 4.32 billion human years. During his day, life exists, and during the night, there is no life left. Now, age of Brahma has been determined to be about 100 years, each year having 360 days and the same number of nights. Thus, total age of Lord Brahma, as per Vedic text, is around 311.04 trillion years, which is called Mahakalpa. This time span is also the duration of one breath of Lord Vishnu. When he exhales, thousands of universes emerge, and one Brahma is born in each of the universe. When he inhales, all universes get sucked into space and Brahma dies. This cycle is non-ending and eternal. That is why Lord Vishnu is considered eternal in Vedic sciences. Our text, which is a great epic, the great Mahabharata, in its part called the Bhagavad Gita, which is our holy text, it talks about multiverse universe in its 10th chapter. So, as you are aware, the Big Bang theory of the universe has already been found to be of no value. But in Bhagavad Gita, our sages knew about the existence of a multiverse universe, which now the entire world is talking about. In fact, the entire time can be classified into Satyug, which is about 1.728 million years, Treta Yuga, about 1.296 million years, Dwapar Yuga, about 0.864 million years, and Kal Yuga, which is about 0.432 million years. It has been said that the Kal Yuga has started in 3102 BC. Now, this time span and the use of a multiverse universe is now very much prevalent, and what our ancient texts like Bhagavad Gita had said has come out to be quite true, and the earlier theories of scientists have become useless, like Big Bang, string theory. Other such theories are of no use. Now, time is not linear. It is considered in physics to be the fourth dimension. Time is perhaps a cosmic dance. It slows down at high speed, and it has been observed that it even stops around massive objects like black holes. So on the horizon of a black hole, time altogether stops. There is another concept in the universe which nobody has understood so far in physics, which is broadly referred to as dark matter and dark energy. In fact, nobody has been able to explain these concepts in a clear way, but from other indications surrounding that object, it has been clear that dark matter and dark energy does exist in the whole universe. A second on a black hole could be thousands of years on Earth. Now, what basically is time dilation? Time dilation is when time passes at different rates for different observers at different locations. Now, time is also relative to speed, to gravity, and to altitudes. Therefore, you must be aware that different planets in our solar system have different time spans and accordingly different kind of span of years in each planet. Now, some scientists have said that time consists of distinct quantas known as chronons, in which a value of a single chronon is time taken by light to travel the distance of radius of the electron. However, it is not yet proven by physics. The universe is expanding according to physics. So if universe is expanding, so time is running forward. But if a time comes later on, if the universe is contracting, would it mean that time would run backwards? This is a question which scientists have been unable to answer. Now, it is also not clear how past, present and future they merge together at different times. Whether today is present and what is past and future, sometimes they appear to be on the same linear graph. Space and time is interrelated according to the general theory of relativity, which was expounded in 1915 by Albert Einstein. However, now with latest scientific advancements like the James Webb Space Telescope, which has been launched on 25th December 2021, and it is a joint compromise or a venture of NASA, ESA and the Canadian Space Agency. It cost total about rupees 1000 crores and it has been stationed in the orbit of the Sun at the point L2. Now our Sun mission has been also launched recently and it is going to be established or it is going to be parked at L1 point. But James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021 December, is at point L2. It is equipped with infrared cameras and it has taken several interesting photographs or sent images of the entire universe, which are quite shocking or which have been accessed for the first time in the world. As you can see, it shows far away galaxies where stars are being just born. There are spiral galaxies, there are cartwheel galaxies, there are different forms of galaxies, and the entire universe has been basically seen by the telescope's eye, which comprises of infrared cameras for the first time. Now these galaxies are not only beautiful but also no one has any explanation for them. So what Bhagavad Gita and what our ancient Vedic texts have said all along, there are multiverse universes, is again proved to be true by the image of such kind of galaxies, black holes of different types, of different colors, and also where stars are just being born and they have not yet fully developed into full form galaxies. Now, so many of space ventures have been found that the earlier theory of Big Bang holds no meaning now at all, and so many universes, multiverse universes have been found by this telescope, which only prove that our ancient texts were absolutely correct, and multiverse universes, which we have already been mentioned in our ancient texts, appear to be fully true and now fully established by particularly this James Webb Space Telescope. In fact, light takes about 9.5 trillion kilometers in a light year to travel to Earth. So, in a light year, if there are 9.5 trillion kilometers and several of the stars, galaxies and other space planets, stars, black holes, etc. are so far away, it can be possible that even light from several of the remotest of galaxies in the space is yet to reach Earth, and we are yet to actually observe them so far. So basically our ancient texts have been quite correct in saying that these kind of space vastness is fully to be understood in its entire aspect, and it is just not limited to the Milky Way alone. From Earth we know the view of the Milky Way, it is a small area compared to the entire vast space, and our solar system is even more smaller than that. So how do we estimate time? Time can stop at a black hole, it can stop at a particular place due to gravity, it can also be different in the objects of space which are in the faraway region, it can be different on Earth, it can be different elsewhere. So time being linear and graphic, it is difficult to say that anybody has so far understood the full meaning of time, and basically nobody has an explanation for what is past, present and future, and time basically appears to be an illusion which is yet to be fully understood by us. Thank you for watching this video.